Oh, hey, welcome back. All right, guys, we got a truck that sounds like crap. You ready to find out what's wrong with it? Let's take a listen first. That way you guys can hear what I'm hearing. You guys hear that ticking? It's pretty loud. So, now that we know the engine sounds a little rough, maybe something a little broken in there, let's go ahead and remove this fender. Got my clip right there, clip right there. Go ahead and lift that up. Same thing with that side. And we'll be ready to pull that off. Set that in the back. And we're gonna go time the engine. All right, so looking at the lower section of the engine, got the timing tool on there. Engine is timed. We're ready to go back up top and rip the top end off. Okay, and now we gotta take the air filter housing off. Take that nut off. Take these two nuts off. Undo that clamp. And this will come right off. Okay, looking at the valve cover, we're going to be taking off this bracketry, just a lot of bolts. Take off these, and then there's going to be 3 more right here. There's a couple more bolts right here. This one, take off that hard pipe, take off that bolt. There's bolts on the back side of this thing, and then we're going to take off all the bolts on the valve cover, all the way around. And then we'll be able to lift the whole thing up. We'll see what's inside. Don't get lost. All right, all the overhead bracketry is off. So now we're ready to pull off that cover. All right, so as you can see, we're over here looking at the valve train. Now we're looking for anything that may be loose or causing noise. We like to inspect these buttons because they're known for falling apart. So I like to go around and make sure everything is tight. That could be a problem. Let's get some light. And as you can see, that one is not like the rest of them. That one is missing its button, which looks like that. So we're missing a button. We found the issue. Now we gotta go through the others. Make sure they're all tight. Make sure they're all good. Nothing loose. And I'm physically gonna put hands on everything. And make sure we're all good. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is unbolt that rocker shaft, which it's right here, here, there. Lift that sucker up, unscrew that guy, take it out, put the new one in, reinstall it, and then set valve lash. So looking at the broken piece, this is it, and what it should look like. Is this. Okay, we're just gonna take this, we're gonna screw right back under here. So we're gonna lift up this rocker shaft just a little bit and just screw right on in, and then we can set valve lash. Okay, new one is on there. I'm gonna go ahead and put all these in. I said do not lose those springs. Trying to run away from me. Okay, here we are, back in the torque sequence. The torque on this one is 40 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees. you can see, I'm having trouble holding the phone and trying to make a video and trying to work. I am not that skilled. Alright, hopefully you can see. Take a 24. Let it ride underneath the seat. I'll loosen this up some more. Until it touches. Back it up just slightly. Check them both. It's got the perfect feel. Torque that down, then we're going to recheck it. Make sure it didn't move. It did. And we'll reset it. Looks like it moved.
It's the Highway on Sirius XM with Al Scope. A couple of big opera members Wordle, Brad Paisley, and Blake Shelton will be co-hosting Grand Ole Opry, 95 years of country music. Oh, that's so cool. You know, he's carrying the Opry on the Roadhouse Channel 59 every weekend. This is going to air on NBC on Valentine's Day. That's going up on February 14th TV. Daytona 500, and that night, this. Saluting the show and all the stars. We love that. This is LB Shane. It's my boy on the highway.
Just the right amount of drag. Yeah, I'll go back in, check it again, we're good. Match it up the other side. And we're good. Alright, so once that's done, we are good to go there. One thing left to do, put everything back together. Get the valve cover back on. Get the bracketry. Get the filter. Get the other filter. And we'll be sitting pretty. And we'll take a listen. That's it. You sound so much better, don't you?